Okay, so here's the box that I received. VICKS Mini Filter-Free CoolMist Humidifier. And as I said, I did get this from Influenster for free so that I could do a product review on it. And my helper today, Jordyn, she'll be unboxing it while I hold the iPad. Alright. Go ahead, open it for me, Joe. You don't know how to open it? Do you need a scissor?
Yes.
Kids don't play with scissors, though.
But
there's no tape up here. What are you talking about?
I keep biting my nails.
Quit doing
I
that. Are you hungry? Do you not eat enough? You have to eat your nails, too?
No.
Oh, my gosh.
No.
Alright, here. You hold that. And I'll open it. Look at that. Look how easy that was.
Well, I'm just a little kid.
Okay, so in the box we have instructions. Oh, and coupons. Woohoo! Coupons. What is this? A VICKS vapor pad refill pad, which I actually have. Wait, have some of these already.
It's
It's like that little teeny nightlight looking one that we have. Okay.
It looks like a salad bowl.
Here's my salad bowl. My humidifier. Goodness. Random kid in the background playing video games.
Don't play it without me.
Hey, we're doing something here. Okay, so here's the unit. Jordyn, where's the thing? Okay, there we go. Here's the unit. Pull to remove. Duh. I don't know what the instructions. I know I should like read them, but anyway, here's the unit. Here's the whole humidifier. It's pretty small. It'll fit on a desktop or nightstand, so that's good. And it says it's ultra quiet operation, auto shut off, and the scent pad for a soothing scent. I'm trying to figure out how to work this. I don't know.
Read the instructions.
Remove the tank and turn upside down. Remove tank cap in the direction of the open lock sign. Where is that? Let's take that off. Oh, look at that. Reading. Fundamental.
Reading.
Words mean things and all of that.
Reading's not fundamental.
It is.
So
there's that.
I'm playing without you.
Fill the tank with, you fill this part right here with cool water. Do not fill with warm or hot water. I'm guessing that's why they said cool water. Securely in bold letters. Replace the tank cap and align the arrows to the lock symbol. Place the tank back on the base. So after you fill this up with water, you lock it back in place. What? Is this how it was? Is it? Jordyn. There we go. Boom. And then you stick the top back on.
Did that.
And that's all it. Wait a minute. Operating. Okay. So to operate it, of course, you plug it in. Make sure there's no water up here because you don't want to electric self. You don't want to electrocute yourself.
Proper grammar.
Words mean things. Then you set the humidity level. I guess that's this one right here. And it says a comfortable humidity level is between 40 and 60%.
There's only a single.
Direct the mist away from the walls so the mist comes out of this little part right there, and you want to direct it away from the walls, furniture, and bedding, because you know you don't want to wake up on fire or anything like that. And you use the little vapor pads that come in this. I would open it, but then I'm gonna have to use it. But you put those. Bruh. That goes in here. Actually, there's a little slot right there. But it goes in there. And that's pretty much how it works. Then there's more instructions about weekly cleaning. And then the rest of the instructions are in French and Espanol. So there you have it. That's what comes in there. I'm going to use these coupons. What's this coupon for? There's a coupon for a digital thermometer. $1.50 off your next vaporizer or humidifier, and 75% off of the vapor pads. Vapor pads. There's no R in it. I've been saying it wrong. Anyway, there's that.
Got it.
Bye.
Buckley.
You know how to turn it off?
Got it.